Hello, in this video we'll be making a fingerprint speed test between two different phone models. This one is Motorola Moto G51 5G and this one is Motorola G71 5G. Motorola G51 5G has a fingerprint scanner on its right side and Motorola G71 5G has its scanner on its back. So let's begin testing. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video and commenting it.